Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Okay, before we start the lessons, let's pray together. Diki?
Before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Let's start.
Okay, thank you, Diki. Is all presents today? No. Siapa yang tidak masuk hari ini? Oh, Naim. Oh ya, Naim. Naim tidak ada di sini. Oke. Okay, today the topic today is fractal stories. What is fractal stories? Fractal stories is a narrative text with alternative version. Understanding narrative text in a creative way. Okay. What is a narrative text? A narrative text is a text that tells a story and entertain to inform or teach a lesson. It often follow a structure of beginning, middle, and end. The structure of a narrative text have three orientation, complication, and resolution. Faik, tolong dibaca orientation itu apa? Oke, introduce karakter, setting, and time. Berarti memperkenalkan karakter, setting, dan waktu. Viral, complication?
My problem or conflict arise.
Oke, thank you Viral. The main problem conflict arise. Jadi permasalahannya dan konfliknya. Yang selanjutnya resolution. Mas Jalu? Oke, the problem is solved. Jadi pada resolution itu menyelesaikan permasalahannya. Ada juga reorientation atau koda, closing and comment or moral. Key feature of narrative text. Narrative text using a past tense, time and sequence connector, then suddenly, once upon a time. Jadi naratif teks itu bisa dikatakan cerita seperti cerita zaman dulu, pada zaman dahulu, once upon a time, seperti itu ya. Terus character and setting, action verb to describe event, dialogue between a character. Terus this is a type of narrative text. Nah, yang pertama itu fable. Fable itu adalah cerita hewan yang bisa berbicara. The example is the tortoise and the hare. Apa itu the tortoise and the hare itu? Mas Faik? Kura-kura dan kelinci kok kelapa itu loh. Mungkin bisa dicontohkan lain? Another example? The myth and legend and fairy tale and folk tales. Nah, this is a example. The fractal stories are narrative texts that modify traditional story by changing character. So, the fractal stories, what if the hare actually won the race? What if Malin Kundang mother forgive him? Terus, nah ini, kenapa sih kok harus belajar fractal stories ya? Encourage imagination thinking. Jadinya untuk fractal stories itu membuat kalian lebih kreatif, ya kan? Okay, let's explore. Student will be divided to 4 groups. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the first group. The second group is line this line, and the third group is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fourth group is the last line this. Come on guys, regroup, grup. Ayo kita berkumpul. Membuat lingkaran, buat lingkaran. Ayo buat lingkaran. Apakah ada kendala di kelompok ini? Perintahnya sudah jelas ya. Discuss together. Break down the different. Oke, tidak ada masalah? Semuanya aman? Oke. Bagaimana dengan kelompok ini?
Nggak ada masalah, sir.
Oke. Enough. Waktunya mempresentasikan. Mungkin bisa diwakilkan dari kelompoknya Mas Diki. Yang bawah, yang belakang.
Alright, so our team group discussion is that the story Maling Kundang, it's the character still the same, Maling Kundang, his mother, wife, and crew, but the fractured or alternative version is the same character, but the mother is far more forgiving. The plot: Malin becomes rich, denies his mother, and then get cursed. But in the fractures or the alternative version, Malin denies his mother, but he later realizes his mistake. And the ending of the story, Malin is turned into the stone in the traditional version, but in the alternative version, Malin asks for forgiveness and the mother forgives him.
Thank you, Diki. Silakan untuk duduk kembali. Summary is narrative structure, storytelling. Fractal stories is modified narrative. Still include orientation, complication, and resolution. And the structure stories is fun, creative, and educational. Thank you. Cukup untuk hari ini. Sebelum kita mengakhiri ini, kita berdoa bersama-sama terlebih dahulu. Mungkin bisa dipimpin oleh Mas Diki. Oke, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.